So we've drawn just the outline of the entire anterior view, and I can lock this layer now. I can hide it because I still need to see the three articular facets that are underneath. So there's this big one here, there's this one here, and you can see the edge where it goes to, and then this sort of hooked shaped one, just this part in the front. Now this is not an anatomy class, so if you decide that this is the edge versus this is the edge, it doesn't really matter that much to me. But on a separate layer, we can start to outline these now. So you can use the pen tool, and let's say I want to do this one here in the front. I can start to draw the shape as I perceive its edges. So let's say it's something like that. Now I could have put this hook in there, and maybe I should have, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. We're going to fill it with white and give it a black stroke, and that's the default value here. So this little button down here is the default value of white fill and black stroke. Just going to tidy this up a little bit. So let's say it's something like that. Its own layer, and we'll call this ant facet. And then I wanted to do the same thing for these background ones. So I can create a new layer and draw these ones. Now this one is going to be behind this one, facing, if we're facing it from this point of view, but I can just draw it like this for now. And if I now just drag it behind, it's going to sit behind it, and it will block it off. Right? So, and then let's say I'm going to draw the shape of this final one. Create a new layer. There's a bit of a dip in here, so a couple points closer together. And we can continue to draw this in like this, and again give it default values. Now if we turn on all of them, then we just have a simple representation of the shape of the calcaneus from the anterior view with the arrangement of the facets. And that's all that needs to be produced for these two drawings. So if I was happy with this, I can just select all the elements like this and copy them. Oh, I've got something locked here. So you can just select them all, copy, and in your layout image on its own layer, you can just paste them in. And then you'll just have something like that that's going to match. So these ones, the other views will be stippled. These ones are just going to look like this. Very simple representations. And this is not an uncommon thing to do when you're illustrating something where you don't need to see the form of the object. You just want to see the comparative arrangement or outline shapes of something, just to simplify the view. And that's what we're doing between the chimp and the gorilla. Okay?